Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting KML file to tab file. I will leave link on this website into description to this video. Now to find app I will click on search text box and type KML to tab and then click on page and click on KML to tab link or just go here and and click on download button. To start downloading process and download archive with app on my computer. Now I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select input file. I will go and open my KML file. Now KML stands for key point markup language, which is markup language for storing text-based, XML-based language for storing GPS data like latitude, longitude, altitude and timestamps for tracks, for example, or it could store also some shapes like areas, like city can be described as a shape is stored into KML file. Now we want to convert into text file so we can see all coordinates, all latitude, longitude and text file if I want to. So I'll click on select. Conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I will have to select my KML, so I'll click on this button, navigate to my documents and go to my file, which is this one, just testing file. Click on next step. There are no conversion options yet here. If you think of any conversions options that can tweak conversion process from KML to tab, please let me know. I will add them to next release of this app. So right now I'll just click on next step. I can, because tab delimited format is text-based format, so I can preview what has been converted. And you can see there is a latitude, longitude, when, which is time, and altitude, and all this information stored in the tabular like format. And I can save, click on save result to save it into text file, which is tab separated text file. So now I can specify name of the file and location. This name and location is okay. I just click save and you can see file has been saved. I can go and show you the file. Now I can open it with Notepad just to show you that this is tabular based format with storing all information such as date stamps and longitude, latitude, altitude coordinates, GPS coordinates. Also, I have a viewer for tab separated format. I will specify this viewer into description too. It will show me data in more like tabular format, and I can sort if I want to, and I can export into different format if I want to, from this tabular to different formats. I will link on this viewer too. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted our KML file. We can see all coordinates stored into tab separated format now. We can do a lot of stuff with that. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know and please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.